Opening hook. Have you ever wanted to send money to a friend or family member quickly and easily without sharing your sensitive social security number, SSN? Venmo offers a convenient solution, but many people are unsure how to use it without providing their SSN. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Building context. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why Venmo might ask for your SSN in the first place. Venmo uses this information to verify your identity and comply with anti-money laundering regulations. However, there are circumstances where you can use Venmo without providing your SSN. Step-by-step guide. Create a Venmo account. Download the Venmo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up for an account using your email address or phone number. Choose a strong password to protect your account. Verify your identity, optional. While not strictly necessary, verifying your identity can unlock additional features and increase your transaction limits. You can verify your identity using your debit card or bank account. If you choose not to verify, you'll still be able to send and receive money, but with certain limitations. Link a funding source. To send money, you'll need to link a funding source to your Venmo account. You can link a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Choose a funding source that you're comfortable using for your transactions. Send money. To send money to a friend or family member, open the Venmo app and tap on the Pay button. Search for the person you want to send money to by their name or Venmo handle. Enter the amount you want to send and add a note or emoji if desired. Tap Pay to complete the transaction. Receive money. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification. To accept the payment, open the notification and tap Claim. The money will be deposited into your linked bank account or available for withdrawal. Additional tips. Security. Protect your Venmo account by enabling two-factor authentication and avoiding sharing your account details with anyone. Fees. Venmo generally doesn't charge fees for person-to-person payments. However, there may be fees for certain transactions, such as using a credit card to send money. Business use. If you're using Venmo for business purposes, there may be additional requirements and limitations. Conclusion. Using Venmo without your SSN is a straightforward process that allows you to send and receive money quickly and easily. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can safely and securely use Venmo for your personal transactions. Call to action. Have you used Venmo without your SSN? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.